are celebrating our 100,000th graduate today. Isabel Miller, ladies and gentlemen.
45 years ago, I and other Full Sailors welcomed the first 13 students across a much smaller stage with a very much smaller audience. Their dreams were just every bit as alive and the excitement as Isabel and all of you guys today. It's the same heartbeat. You're pursuing something that matters to you.